Hello, very good morning, children. Now, yesterday it was in the schedule, provided the information to you. We have to study about the past adjustment in partnership fundamental. It's a question for the sake of you and for those who are viewer of this video. What is past adjustment? Just I am going to explain the meaning of past adjustment in partnership fundamental. Past adjustment refer such information that is omitted to be recorded in the books of account after closing the books and sign the balance sheet. Remember, past adjustment उन चीज को रिफर करता है कि कुछ सारी बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट क्लोज करने के बाद, फर्म का सारा अकाउंट बंद करने के बाद, बैलेंस शीट बनाने के बाद में ये पता चलता है कि कुछ चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड करने में छूट गई हैं, तो देन व्हाट हैपेंड? द एग्रीमेंट इन द पार्टनरशिप डीड, whether not altering the balance sheet and profit and loss appropriation account or partners capital account, a process adopted to give a single adjusting entry for the proper information that has been omitted to be recorded in the books of account. After closing the books, it is discovered that some, for example, as interest on capital, as commission to the partners, salary to the partners, these are the items has been omitted to be recorded. How the accounting treatment given to the particular information. I would like to make you the process learn. Keep your eyes and keep your mind at the board, whatever the information given. Question number 42 in your book. Question number 42. That is given A, B, C, three partners. Remember, A, B and C are three partners sharing their profit in the ratio of 2:1:1. After closing the books of account, it is discovered that interest on capital is omitted to be recorded in the partner's capital account or profit and loss appropriation account. It is decided that after such the accounts as balance sheet, not altering the balance sheet, it is decided that a single entry should be passed in the beginning of next year. Give the adjusting entry. This one is the information given in the question. First, we have to calculate the profit and the interest on capital at the rate of per annum. As a working note, you can find over here interest on capital 8 lakhs is interest on capital is interest on capital is equal to 8 lakhs into 8 upon 100 is equal to 64,000. B is interest on capital 4 lakhs into 8 upon 100 is equal to 32,000. C is interest on capital. C interest on capital is equal to 3 lakhs into 8 upon 100 is equal to 24,000. Such amounts has not been recorded in the books of account. 64,000 as the interest on capital of A, 32,000 as the interest on capital of B, and 30,000, 24,000 as the interest on capital of C. These amounts have not been recorded in the books. It means the profit, whatever the profit earned by the firm, shared in the ratio of 2:1:1. So total profit would be 64,000. Just you can see over here the working note. 64,000, 32,000 and 24,000. Total interest on capital 0, 0, 0, 0, 1,20,000. It has been already credited to the partner's account in the ratio of 2:1:1. How can we, in finding out which partner got more than other partners or which share is less, we make an adjustment table. An adjustment table is prepared to find out the amount which should have been credited or debited to the partner's capital account. How? In Hindi I would like to explain this one also. How it is done. 1,20,000 first amount already credited. Amount already credited. Whatever the profit earned by the firm, 1,20,000 already credited in ratio of 2:1:1. Means share 2 plus 1 is equal to A share 2/4, B share 1/4, C share 1/4, D share 1/4, E share 1/4, F share 1/4, G share 1/4, H share 1/4, I share 1/4, 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to A share 2 by 4, B share 2 by 4, C share 2 by 4, D share 2 by 4, B share 1 by 4 and C share 1 by 4. Is it? So, step by step, just try to calculate, try to distribute the profit 1,20,000 in the ratio of 2:1:1. Just this way, 1,20,000 into 2 by 4. A got the amount as a profit already credited. 60,000. And B is 1/4. 30,000. And C is also, that's there is same, 30,000. Total 1,20,000. Is it? This one is the adjustment table. My dear children, it is prepared to find out the amount which will be credited or debited to the partner's capital account, passing the adjusting entry. So, an amount which should have been credited, amount which should have been credited as by charging the interest on capital, providing the interest on capital to the partners, amount which should have been credited, in the ratio of 2:1:1. That is the number. Amount which should have been credited to the partner as interest on capital, 64,000 interest on capital. Mr. A should got and 42,000 B and 24,000 C. Total 1,20,000. Now, my dear children, you have to compare this one. This one is the adjustment table. This way you can find out the differences. The differences you can find. 60,000 A has got, but he should have got 64,000. How much amount is less? Whether less or more? I mean to say, this one is the fellow just got the less amount. So difference is 4,000. Here difference 2,000. Here the difference amount 6,000. You can compare. Means A has got 60,000 already. He has got already 60,000. B has got 30,000. C has got 30,000. But he should have got how much the amount? 64,000 means 4,000 the less amount he has got. He should have got 32,000 while he has already got 30,000. So 2,000 is less. Less means when he has got the less amount, that should be credit. And also he got the less amount, so it will be also credited. And he has got more than, means he should have got this amount 24,000 only, but he has got 30,000, so he has got more. So here this particular figure will be calculated. Adjusting entry. Adjusting entry will be, you can see who is debit? C. You can write this way, C is capital account debit. C is capital account debit 6,000 to A's capital account. A's capital account. What amount? 4,000 to C's capital account. C's capital account. Being adjustment entry has been passed at the beginning of the next year. Now in Hindi you can find, watch over here, keep your mind. A, B तीन पार्टनर हैं जिनकी कैपिटल है 8 लाख, 4 लाख एंड 3 लाख। उनके बीच प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 2:1:1 का है बेटा। इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एट द रेट ऑफ 8% पर एनम ये लगाया नहीं गया, सारी बुक्स क्लोज कर दी गई और ये लगाया नहीं गया। तो एक सिंगल एंट्री पास करना है। बाद में पाया गया कि ये लगाया ही नहीं गया और प्रॉफिट पार्टनर्स के बीच बंट गया। जस्ट वी हैव टू पास द सिंगल एंट्री फॉर द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ सच इंफॉर्मेशन ओमिटेड टू बी रिकॉर्डेड। इस तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन यदि छूट गया है तो इसे कैसे रिकॉर्ड करेंगे? तो सर्वप्रथम हम क्या करेंगे, पहले इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल तीनों पार्टनर्स का कैलकुलेट किया गया। 8 लाख का 8% निकाला गया, 64,000 आया। 4 लाख का 8% निकाला गया, 32,000 आया। और 3 लाख का 8% निकाला गया, 24,000 आया। अब ये टोटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल जो बढ़ना चाहिए था, जो छूट गया है, तो जाहिर सी बात है टोटल कितना हुआ? 1,20,000। अगर जो हम बेटा ध्यान दें जरा सा, इसके पहले पढ़े हैं कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल लगाने के बाद जो प्रॉफिट बचता है वही डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट होता है। अब यहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल लगा नहीं, 9 से घटाएगा तो वो प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया होगा पार्टनर्स में। और किस रेशियो में बढ़ा होगा? 2:1:1 के रेशियो में। तो 1,20,000 का यदि 2:1:1 के रेशियो में हमने बांटा होगा तो ए जो पाए होंगे 60,000, बी पाए होंगे 30,000, सी पाए होंगे 30,000। अब उनको पाना क्या चाहिए? एज ए इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्या पाना चाहिए? 64,000 ए को पाना चाहिए और बी को 32,000 पास कर सकते हैं। अब देखें, इसे 64,000 पाना चाहिए, लेकिन से पाया कितना है 60,000, तो 4,000 कम पाए हैं। तो जो कम पाता है वो क्रेडिट होता है, जो अधिक पाता है वो डेबिट होता है। बी को 30,000 पाना चाहिए, ये 32,000 पाए हुए हैं, 2,000 कम पाए हुए हैं, तो 2,000 ये भी क्रेडिट होंगे। और सी को पाना चाहिए केवल 24,000 और ये पाने हैं 30,000, 6,000 अधिक पाए तो ये डेबिट हो गए। अब एडजस्टिंग इनके बड़े आराम से आप पास कर सकते हैं। देखें, सीज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 6,000 ये अधिक पाए, 6,000 देखिए। और सी से ए और बी कितना पाएंगे ये ध्यान दें। ए पाएंगे 4,000 और बी पाएंगे 2,000, तो सीज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू एज कैपिटल 4,000 क्रेडिट होंगे, बीज कैपिटल 2,000। Is it clear? That's all for the day. Thank you very much.